In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Podia. If you've updated your primary inbox or just want a cleaner setup, changing your email on Podia is quick and straightforward. This update affects how you sign in and where Podia sends important notifications, so it's worth taking a moment to do it carefully. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Podia dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log in as you normally would, so you land on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see your account name or avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the options that appear, choose Account. This takes you to your personal account settings where you can manage your details. On the account page, find the section that shows your current email address. Next to it, you'll see an Edit option. Click Edit. You'll now be able to type in your new email address. Enter it carefully and double check for typos. It's important to use an inbox you can access right away because Podia will send a message there to confirm the change. When you're confident the address is correct, click Save. There's one final step to complete the update. Open a new tab or switch to your new email inbox and look for a message from Podia. That email contains a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your new address. This verification is essential. Until you click it, your email won't be updated on the account. If you don't see the message after a couple of minutes, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders and make sure your email provider isn't filtering it. You can also wait a moment and refresh your inbox. Once you click the confirmation link, your Podia account will be tied to the new email. The next time you sign in, use that new address. If you were signed in during the change, you may be asked to log in again, which is normal. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you still have access to your old inbox until the switch is confirmed, just in case you need to reference anything. If you rely on Podia notifications for purchases or student messages, let any teammates know your login email has changed and always use a secure, long-lived inbox for your account so you don't lose access later. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Podia. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more quick, clear tutorials.